You just have to answer some of my questions and I will open your every rope in return. Simple.
What questions?
The first question. How can you address Roma ma'am as your mother? Who told you to say this? What's the secret behind it? Do you want to defame mother in front of the media?
Defame? Why would I defame my own mother?
That's exactly what I want to know. That how is she your mother? How did you know? She has only 2 children, Virat and Tara. How did you become her third child?
I was informed by someone through a message.
Who? Who?
Hey Sanjay, where's the camera's battery?
I think the battery is in that.
But it's not there. Go get another one.
Sister, I have stolen the battery somehow. But listen to me, we really don't have much time. We'll have to find Vedika or else forget about your revenge. This plan will fail.
No, Chavani. We'll have to find Vedika anyhow.
I don't know. Someone sent me messages and then in an envelope I was sent pieces of some photographs. I was then sent the picture of Roma ma'am that she's my mother.
Someone is fooling you. If such a big matter was indeed true, he would have told you the truth upfrontly. He wouldn't have misled you like that. And you even believed it. You were educated, aren't you?
As the saying goes, one who is in a dire need believes in the slightest hope. For so many years, I have been an orphan. When I saw a ray of hope, then I believed it, sir.
Mother is an epitome of mother's love. Whoever she meets, she gives them abundance of love. She treats poor and orphans so well that they think that she's their mother. Does that mean that you will tell in front of everyone that she's your mother? That too when her political life is on the turning point and she's about to achieve something that she's been wanting to achieve. You are trying to defame her, my dear.
I don't want anything like that. I've just come here looking for my mother. I don't want anything else.
Listen, Vedika. I sympathize with you. I know the importance of a mother for an orphan. I know it very well. I wish I could have helped you in some way. But I can do one thing for you, that whoever is trying to mislead you and trying to give you wrong information, send you those messages, I can find the one. You just do one thing. You give me the number of that person from your phone.
What if he sees my dad's name? Then no.
Chavani, both Vedika and Deep are nowhere to be seen. I am very scared. I am sure something is not right. I'll try calling Deep.
What happened? Where is your phone?
Well,
Yes, tell me, Tara.
Where are you, Deep? Mom's interview is about to begin. She's been asking about you. But you are missing. Come home soon.
I was busy with something important. I'll be there soon.
Deep, Mom is asking about you constantly. She's worried. Both you and Brother Virat aren't present. And besides, presence of all the family members is very important for Mom's image.
See, Tara, I'll be there in half an hour. Okay?
Half an hour? Deep, have you gone crazy? The program will end in half an hour. I don't want to hear any excuses. Come home at once right now.
Damn it. Okay, Tara, I'm coming right away. See, Vedika. Whatever we just discussed, please keep it to yourself. If what you're saying is true, and if you're really mother's daughter, and you got separated for some reason, Then I'll be glad if I could unite both of you. But that's not possible. I'm sure she is lying because I'm sure that mother can't have an illegitimate child. Someone is trying to defame her and her family. But I don't get it. Arohi is dead. Then who can this be? Whoever it is, I will find out for sure.
Sister, I have checked the entire house again, but Vedika is nowhere to be seen.
Chavani, I'm sure Deep has hidden Vedika somewhere. He anyway knew everything about that photo also. It is possible that he is torturing Vedika.
Why is this door shut? Open the door.
Chavani, there is only one way to find out where Vedika is. We have to call her. Pass me your phone in which you can change your voice.
Hello?
I know that you have been locked somewhere in the house.
Tell me, where are you?
Say something that you can.
See, so that I know where you are.
This looks like a very old room, and there are stone idols of some weird faces, and also some old things are kept.
I have seen that in the basement.
But I don't trust you at all. I know that you are deceiving me. Aren't you the one who misled me? You're asking me to take revenge from Miss Roma, right?
Trust me, Vedika. I am your friend and not your enemy.
And anyway, I have tracked your location.
In some time, you will be released from there. I am sure you will find your mom soon.
But just showing me a picture doesn't prove that Roma is my mother. Unless you don't give me a proof, I'm not going to believe a word that you say.
Don't worry, Vedika.
Very soon you will get proof, after which you will be sure that you are Roma's daughter. Wait for my message.
Hello? Hello? The mark on this baby's hand is exactly like the one I have. This means the baby is there in the picture with Dad and Roma. It is me. Hello?
Did you see that? Your mom is holding you.
This is a photograph of your childhood. I have many more proofs.
Your birth certificate, hospital records, and things like that.
Hospital record? Birth certificate?
Yes. I very well know that Deep has threatened you.
But don't believe that hypocrite.
He is Roma's right hand. That's why he is doing all this. In some time, the door will be unlocked. Go, Vedika. This is the only chance you have.
Ask for your right in front of everyone. Ask Roma, your mom.
That why did she force an innocent child to live a difficult life? Why did she put you through such tortures? Why did she reject you?
She will have to accept you in front of everyone.
She won't be able to lie to you in front of everyone, Vedika. You will find your mother and also your rights.
Miss Roma, she is my mother?
I have got the door unlocked. It's your turn to take the first step.
Hello?
So tell me.
Where were you all this while? She's been asking for you since quite some time.
I had some important work.
What work? Because after that, a girl had come to meet me. She was totally wounded. Her legs were bleeding. And she asked me for help. So I tied a few bandages. But that did not stop the bleeding because she was shot in the leg.
I'll tell you later.
Goddess, please give Vedika the strength so that she can unmask this fraud in front of everyone.
What happened? Why are you so restless? I've come here now.
After insisting so much, you showed up now, Deep. There's no point in talking to you.
Miss Roma, you are such a famous personality, and because of your good work, you have got an opportunity to serve the nation. We all know that you are headstrong, but along with strength comes weakness too. So, what is your weakness?
I cannot see anyone unhappy. I cannot disappoint anyone. Knowingly or unknowingly, I have always tried not to be unfair with anyone.
Does anything else inspire you to do such a good work?
My self-respect is my strength, and my inspiration is my family.
The people will love to see your family, ma'am.
Of course. Virat, come here. He is my son, Virat. I have never come across a more talented person at all. I'm not saying this just because he's my son. He's serving his country well, and I'm very proud of that. Tara, come. She is my angel, my darling daughter Tara. When I look at her, I hope God gives me a long life so that I can keep looking at her.
I wish my daughter was a part of this family too.
So these are the two pillars of my life.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.